Hey my lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Utumila Mokwena for those of you that do not know me, and if it is your first time being here, please do check out my latest videos, and if you enjoy my content, please do subscribe and become a member of this beautiful mini family. But for my regulars, my returning subscribers, Bastandwa, thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday today and it is a start of a brand new vlog. This is gonna be a weekly vlog, so you guys are gonna spend the week with me. I'm gonna try to vlog from today, which is Wednesday, up until Sunday. So I'm gonna try like to vlog every day and be consistent because this is a weekly vlog. Okay, I've been awake for a few minutes now. I want to make my bed, do what I have to do, and I want to film a makeup TikTok. In my previous vlog, I did try to film it, but the lighting wasn't good. I wasn't satisfied with the lighting, so I ended up not uploading that video. So yeah, today it's still early, it's still morning, the lighting is good, so we are gonna try to film a makeup video. And then I also wanna uninstall this wig. But yeah guys, I'll probably show you guys the behind the scenes of me doing my makeup, you know. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Please make sure that you are subscribed, like, comment, and stay tuned for top tier content, period.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
So I'm having my green tea with lemon juice. Guys, my roses, these roses are a week and a half old. I don't know if I should throw them away or if I should keep them up until Saturday because they will be doing 2 weeks old on Saturday. I don't know. I'm gonna put them on the floor because I want to use my oil burner while I'm reading my morning devotional, doing some journaling, spending time with God before starting my day. I'm gonna use this sweet Osamtha's perfume oil. Monday I uploaded a spend the day with me, a productive day in my life vlog, so please do watch it if you haven't watched that vlog yet. And I also uploaded a Shein haul on TikTok. So I had a pretty much productive Monday. But yeah. So Monday and Tuesday I've just been lazing around. I'm literally only starting my week today. We are literally saving the week. This is Operation Save the Week. It's also my mom's birthday today. Oh my god, it's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. It's my mom's birthday, guys. Ish. I got her birthday gifts now. I got her birthday gift because on Friday I also booked her a facial. So I'm gonna surprise her with a facial after work. It's a facial and a neck, back, and shoulder massage. Because that's my baby. That's my baby. That's my mother. That's my queen. Okay, she deserves princess treatment only. Guys, I got her this tote bag. Is it a tote bag? Yeah, it's a tote bag. I got her this beautiful black tote bag from Fashini. Like, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. So it has a longer strap as well. I also got her a perfume. This perfume, and it smells so good. Like, it smells. So it is this velvet packaging, guys. It's giving luxury. It's giving luxury, Shane. This is how the perfume looks. Happy birthday to my queen. Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of this vloggy vlog. It is the next day. It is Thursday today, and the time is 11:35. So this morning you guys saw that we had a delivery from Takealot. I did that unboxing with you guys, and then had breakfast, took a bath, you know. But I spent most of my morning in bed editing, like editing content, because I had a lot of unedited content that I had to edit. But yeah guys, today there's not a lot of things happening. It was just a morning full of editing, and then yeah, now I'm just gonna do schoolwork because I'm a student. So I'm just gonna get busy with my schoolwork, and then I also think I want to install a wig, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or I'm gonna do it tomorrow with you guys. We'll just see how far I get with my schoolwork. That's it for today. I just wanted to come here and update you guys on what is happening. So yeah guys, let me get started with my schoolwork. Hey guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna continue doing my schoolwork, but I'm gonna close off the vlog here for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. I have uploaded a TikTok. So it's hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another Get Ready with Me. So it's a Sunday and I'm going to church. And I have uploaded a similar video on my Instagram. Call me when you need some, call me when you need some, call me when you need some. So please do make sure that you follow me on TikTok and you follow me on Instagram for more top tier content. And yeah guys, I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, vloggy vlog. Welcome to day 3 of the vlog. It is Friday today, and I quickly wanna shoot a TikTok while I am installing my wig. So yeah, you guys will also be installing with me. I am struggling so much, Kesana, with the lighting. I am struggling with the lighting, but I'm trying my best to make it work, guys. So guys, it is a few hours later. I'm done installing my hair, even though the lace here is not doing the things, but I don't have time. I have to leave the house now. I'm taking my mom to go get a facial, and then she's also getting a back, neck, and shoulder massage. That's her last birthday gift. Yeah, she's doing that. I wanted us to go for lunch, but the weather is gloomy. We might do lunch, we might not do lunch. I don't know. It just depends. But yeah, guys, I wanted to take pictures this weekend, but there's no sun outside. So hospital nje. I look cute today. I'm looking clean. So yeah, guys, let me get going before I run late.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now.
Hi vlog. Hi guys, it's way later in the day. It is It's 17:41 and we just got home. So as you guys saw, I took my mom for a facial and a massage, and then we went out for lunch. Good food, good cocktails. What a beautiful day. Like me and my mom keep saying, like we both keep saying, what a beautiful day. 'Cause today was just a very beautiful day, although the weather is gloomy and cold. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. I hope that you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hi vlog, it's the next day. Today it's Saturday and it's 3 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. If you guys are seeing a mess in the background, please minimize it, okay? Today I didn't really vlog for you guys and I dedicated this day to creating content. So I literally woke up, cleaned my room, took a bath, and I went out to create content. So I just came back and I changed into my pajamas because yeah, I'm literally just gonna start editing this vlog, and then also edit a TikTok that I have to post today. Post one of the pictures I took for Instagram today as well. So it's just a day filled with content. The struggle of taking your own pictures. Today was the first time I took my own pictures thingy, but it doesn't have batteries. Content day has been a success so far. These are the pictures I took myself. And yeah, guys, I thought I should come here and update you guys on why I did not vlog today. I said I'm gonna vlog every single day from Wednesday, but yesterday I wanted to take content, but I couldn't because there was no sun. So I was like, today the sun, let me do that instead of just sitting around and not doing anything. So I'm glad I took that decision because the pictures look so amazing. So please do follow me on Instagram, okay? When you see me post the pictures, please do like on Instagram and comment as well. That's it for today. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Sunday. We are going to church, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. I also have to fix this lace because I'm going to church with this wig. I'll uninstall it tomorrow after church, so I'm just gonna fix the lace, chill, catch a breath. I'm literally thirsty. Like, I'm so thirsty for water. I also drink my water. But yeah, it's been a beautiful Saturday, guys. It's been a beautiful Saturday. This vlog has been so productive. Like, I've been productive in this vlog. You guys saw I was creating content back and forth like every single day. It was content day. So yeah, it's been a productive week. Proud of myself. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I begin to.
Good morning vlog. It's the next day. Today it is Sunday morning. We are running late for church. The time is I'm about to leave. I'll talk to you guys later, but good morning. Happy Sunday.
Good afternoon, guys. So we are back. Went to church, had a beautiful, amazing service, and then after that, we wanted to go out for breakfast, but unfortunately, we were like 10 to 15 minutes late for breakfast. They were already serving lunch, so we had lunch. The food was good, the drinks were good. I'm so full, like I literally just want to take a nap, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that because I wanna finish editing this vlog. But yeah, guys, it's been a beautiful week and an amazing weekend. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had a beautiful week, to be quite honest. Like, my week was productive and my weekend was just good vibes, good company, good food. So it's been a beautiful week overall. So yeah, I even took my lashes off Friday night because, like, this eye, most of them were falling off. So I'm like, I know it's chai because it's been like 4 weeks with my lashes. So yeah, it was time, and it's also been 4 weeks with my nails. So yeah, so can I hear commotion for the birthday vlog? Can I hear some commotion for the birthday vlog? So yeah, guys, the next vlog is definitely gonna be my birthday vlog. And yeah, guys, we are on 872 subscribers speaking today, real life, the 23rd of July. So, guys, we need like 138 subscribers, like 138. That's not a lot, guys. So, please, okay, make sure that you share the channel link with your friends, your family, your bae, your side, your mom, your dad, your friends, your colleagues. Make sure that you are sharing the channel link. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And if you guys enjoyed this vlog, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I'm gonna love and leave you guys here. I enjoyed my week, to be quite honest. Although my body is so tired, like my body's tired, like that's why I'm like, next week I don't want to create any content because my body is tired. Remember, guys, it is important to give your body a break because your body carries you every single day. So taking a day off, a week off. Wow, what a beautiful weekend. What a beautiful weekend. I am so happy. So happy, so happy, so happy that my mom enjoyed her birthday week. So yeah, and one more time, happy birthday, mommy. It's been a beautiful week, guys. It has been a beautiful week, and I just thank God for giving me the ability, to just make sure that my mom's birthday and her birthday week is one for the books because it's been an amazing week. It's been an amazing weekend. Take care of yourselves, my lovies, and let's get to 1K before my birthday, okay? When I drop the birthday vlog, I need to be on 1K. Please don't play with me. Don't play with me. But yeah, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your body, take care of the people that you love, cherish the people that you love, okay? Because I don't even want to say, what if your mother passes away or your father, who, what if you pass away? Because I feel like we just tend to forget that God can take anyone, you know. Sometimes God takes the young and he leaves the old. So you can't say, oh, when my mother passes away, what if you pass away and you leave your parent still alive? So cherish every moment you have with your loved ones. Make time for the people that you love. Pour into them, pour into their cups. Because to be quite honest, in life you do need solid relationships, okay? Whether it's friends, family, a romantic partner, but we do need healthy, solid relationships. And it's also important to pour into your own cup because when your cup is empty, then what are you going to pour into other people's cups? So make sure that you are taking care of yourself, you are loving yourself, and then taking care of the people that are close to your heart. Show kindness, show love to every single person, okay? Just smiling at somebody that you don't know could make their day. You don't have to be rude, okay? Don't be that person that's just unnecessarily rude. It's not cute. It's not nice. It's disgusting. Okay, especially if you are a pretty lady, a beautiful lady, a handsome man. It's disgusting to be beautiful on the outside but ugly in the inside. That's disgusting. So stop that if you're that person. But yeah, I just want to say, guys, remember to spend time with the people that you love, and also let's learn to forgive ourselves and show ourselves love, kindness, because sometimes nobody's there to show you those things, and you have to fill your own cup. But most importantly, spend time with God. Like, pour into that cup, spend time with Him. Because when you build a solid foundation and a relationship with God, and then pouring into your cup will be so much easier, because He loves you. I mean, He died for you. That love right there is what I call unconditional love, okay? For someone else to carry their burden and die for our sins, baby, no man is gonna do that for you. No man is gonna do that for you. So, yeah, that's it from me. See you guys in the next vlog. And I love you guys so much. Bye, y'all.